It's Memorial Day weekend in the U.S., which marks the unofficial start of summer south of the border. Normally, millions of Americans travel for the holiday, but health officials are warning them to stay home and keep their distance. As Jennifer Johnson explains, there's concern the long weekend will cause an uptick in cases.
As Americans head out to celebrate this Memorial Day weekend,
after like 60-something days indoors, it's nice to soak up the sun.
Warnings from nervous state leaders.
We expect people to be getting out, going to parks, beaches, etc. But we have to remain vigilant at the same time.
New York Governor Andrew Cuomo trying to avoid a new nightmare, emerging virus hotspots popping up in states that quickly reopened, like Texas, Florida, and Alabama.
The virus is not gone. The virus is still out there. This is a smart virus that spreads very easily from person to person.
Not every coastal town is welcoming holiday travelers, including parts of the normally packed Jersey Shore.
The most important months for this town, for our businesses, for the municipality are the months of July and August. And that's why it's so important that we get this right the first time.
The U.S. Travel Association predicts many Americans will stay home, spending $4.2 billion this Memorial Day weekend, a third of what was spent in 2019.
For the first time in 20 years, AAA is not releasing the Memorial Day travel forecast.
U.S. President Donald Trump is creating controversy with his own holiday travel plans, a visit Monday to Fort McHenry in Baltimore, the place that inspired the national anthem. The mayor has asked the president to reconsider, set an example, and not come to a city still under a stay-at-home order. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.